Are you excited?
Yes.
Your daughter is turning 3.
Happy birthday to you, Tiana. Thank you.
Thank you.
I want to go.
It's 12 o'clock. It's
Daily dice. No purple. Open the mouth. Hello? Yes, you're coming.
okay.
5 minutes.
Can we come here? Come, Tiana, idhar आओ.
नहीं.
3,
2.
1.
Happy birthday.
Hello everyone. Welcome to this very special vlog. We have come to this really beautiful property called Arte by Thomas Chan to celebrate Tiana's 3rd birthday. Well, this property is a 5-star romantic French getaway dream in the heart of Mont Kiara, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And this place is very near to our house. We're going to 66th floor, Tiana.
66.
Yay.
Lift opens towards this huge hotel reception on their 66th floor. We are done with our check-in here. And I was admiring its each beautiful detailing. Just look at it, guys. It's so beautiful.
Yay.
Do it. Watch your floor. Wow, such a good vibe. Come in. Oh, so pretty. Wait, we will remove shoes. There we go. So pretty. Pretty.
Remove your shoes
Remove
first.
your shoes and then we can sit down, okay? Sit here. I remove your shoes. Then you can walk. Okay.
Hello everyone. We are here to celebrate Tiana's birthday. There you go.
Are you excited, Tiana? Are you excited? What you doing?
Tiana, your birthday. Oh, wait. Open it. Mommy, wait. You have to open the cover. Press it.
Johnny, says Papa.
Ah. Eating?
Sugar.
Ah.
No Papa. Daily dice. No Papa. Open the mouth.
Ha ha ha. Yay. High five. Very good. Titi, whose cake is this, Baba? This is your birthday cake. What did you do to this press karke? Tiana? Whom are you calling? Keep it here.
Hello? Yes, you're coming.
Okay.
5 minutes.
Okay. Come here.
No, get here. Give me.
Let's go. Uh-oh, कोई बात नहीं.
Wow, so nice.
So nice. Look at this mirror, Tiana. We need this in the house. We need this. Chichi, we need this mirror in the house. Don't you think so?
No, Papi. No.
Oh my god, it's so pretty.
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Your daughter is turning 3.
Tiana?
Which date is your birthday? 20 what? 20 June. Well, I ordered all these birthday decorations from Shopee, Malaysia. You know, all DIYs. Because for kids' birthday, it's so much fun to do it yourself, all these decorations. It's so exciting for them. For kids, they enjoy these decorations a lot. And for Tiana, she's so fascinated by all these birthday balloons, birthday candles, birthday banners. So it's so much fun.
Big one.
I
Floral. Give me sellotape, please. Give me a clear tape.
I give you another one. I give you another one. Okay, I give you another one. Tiana was very happy seeing that she has decorated this house with the help of mommy and daddy. So she was really excited, and this is what I call the precious moments, because these moments are not going to come back ever, because they grow and they grow really just so fast, and you will not know actually. And she's a teenager girl. So, and why I call her teenager, you know, because in case you must be wondering, or in case you don't know, a 3-year-old behaving like a teenager, so that's called teenager. So yeah, she has already started to behave like a teenager. Yeah, it's absolutely fun to decorate for your kids, with your kids actually. Here you go guys, just keep watching. It's so much fun. You will see this is really a fun vlog. We really enjoy doing this. We also purchased this electric balloon pump from Shopee Malaysia. Actually, we bought this when we were celebrating Tiana's first birthday, I guess. Yeah, and that time only we knew that this is going to be very handy and this is going to be very useful in coming years. So this makes the entire, decoration process very easy. And of course this creates a little noise, so for kids it is sometimes very annoying here, but Tiana was really having fun. We were inflating her number 3 balloon, so she was very excited to see that.
Whose birthday is this? What number is this? Yes, Titi is turning 3 years old.
Happy birthday to you, Tiana. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah. इधर गेम खेला होगा स्कूल में ना?
Play this? Can I also play this? Oh my god. Who is the princess? Oh, look yourself in the mirror. How are you looking? I'll show you. I'll show you. Hi, princess. Can we come here? Come, Tiana, idhar aa. Give me your hand.
नहीं.
Feeling so happy. So happy.
We are getting set for pre-birthday celebration.
Yay.
Look at this one.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I want the guava.
Okay. Okay.
Mm.
It's so yummy.
I want ice cream.
Okay, let's go and have everything.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Bye.
Thank you, friend.
Bye.
Bye. I want this one.
Okay.
Come, Daddy. Which one?
Let's
No.
Will give you one, two, will give you. Oh, so nice. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
you. Daddy, please pay money. I'm on this one. Please pay money. Okay.
Number 3.
Stand here, Daddy, first.
It's fire. What is fire? Fire.
First sing your song. First sing your song.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you, Titi. Happy birthday to you.
Come this way, come this way. Yay! Happy birthday! Come here, let's cut the cake. Come, let's cut the cake. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
little Tiana.
Happy birthday to you.
3.
2. 1.
Yay!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you, Titi. Happy birthday to you, Titi. Happy birthday to you, Titi. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Happy birthday, Tiana! It's 12 o'clock. It's Titi's birthday.
Give you kisses. And put it here.
Okay.
Okay.
Whoa, yummy. Wow.
For Titi's birthday. Later on her birthday evening, we went to the nearby mall, which is this 1MK mall, as there you have these ballet dance and music schools. You know, music and dance are the perfect extracurricular activities for very young children to start with. So we went to Yamaha Music School to inquire and enroll Tiana for her formal music lessons, since Tiana spends a lot of time playing with the piano at home, and also she turned 3, so it's the perfect age for her to start with her learnings here. But they told us that they are waiting for a few more students to enroll before they start with the new batch. So for now we will have to wait.
You want to come here and play piano?
Yes.
Okay.
After that, we are at her favorite corner, the play area, and trying her luck at the claw machine to get some toys, but we couldn't get any. Yeah, she enjoys all these playtime a lot, so we try most of the time actually to bring her to play areas.
Oh my God, Titi's driving great, right? Thank you.
Last but not the least, we had to go to Toys R Us because that's her second home. She goes every now and then there, so there she thinks it's her play home. So it was really a fun evening and we really enjoyed because she was very happy, and that's what we wanted. So it went on so nicely as we planned. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thank you for being a part of our celebration. Do send us your love and blessings in the comment section. Till then, look after yourself and I'll see you in the next one.